In today's video, I'm taking a small $10 balance and turning it into over $100, step by step, using a mix of strategies and indicator setups. One of the questions I get asked the most is, how do I grow a small account? So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would trade if I had to start with just $10 and build my account balance. Before we jump into the video, make sure to join our new free VIP Signals channel using the link in the description. Inside, we share daily trading signals for both expert option and pocket option, plus exclusive promo codes available only to our members. Now let's start trading. Here you can see, I've created a brand new expert option account and deposited $10. The pound and the US dollar markets seem to be in a downtrend, continuously making lower lows. So I will place a $5 sell trade right here. Sadly, we lost our first trade, but we still have $5 more. Let's place another sell trade. We won our second trade and recovered the earlier loss. Now let's go to the EUR/USD market. By looking at the continuous higher highs, we can say the market is in an uptrend. In a market like this, the price will almost always reach the previous higher high. So, I will place a $5 buy trade on this high low. Another $4 profit. After a while, I switched over to the gold market. If we look closely, we can see the price followed this support line and broke it with a strong red candle. Usually, when this happens, the earlier support line becomes the new resistance level, so I placed a $5 sell trade right at this level. Close the trade with a profit. Using the same strategy, I placed another $5 trade. Sadly, we lost that one. Since I lost the last trade, I will place two $5 trades using the Martingale strategy. I won both of those trades. We can see the same situation as earlier in this market as well. The price broke the support level and went down. Here, we can see the market tried to break the new resistance level, but was rejected. So, I will place a sell trade on the new resistance level. I've also changed the trade amount to $10. We closed the trade with an $8 profit. Let's place another trade. Unfortunately, we lost that trade. Using the same strategy, I placed two more $10 trades, one after the other. I profited over $18 in both trades. Let's move to the USD and Japanese Yen OTC market. The market was in a downtrend and made a pullback right here. However, the uptrend movement seems to be getting rejected at this level. So, I will place a $10 sell trade. Just as we predicted, the market went down. As you guys can see, I have traded my way up to $44. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Let's continue trading. Now, we're in the Smarty Index market. The market seems to be in a simple uptrend with clear higher highs. So, I will place a $10 buy trade right here. Just like we predicted, the market went up and we won that trade. Let's go back to the gold market. Here, we can see the market price was rejected 3 times at this level, creating a potential support level. If we look here, we can also see a bullish engulfing candle pattern. So I placed a $10 buy trade. We closed our 10th trade with a profit as well. So far, we've placed 10 trades and won 8 of them, bringing our total account balance to $61. Now, let's continue trading. We're still in the same Smarty Index market as earlier. I will change my trade duration to 1 minute from 35 seconds. We can see right here, there's strong selling pressure on the market. So, I will put a simple $10 sell trade. The price tried to bounce back at this support line, but was rejected and continued on a downward trend. If we move to the gold OTC market, we can see that this market is also in a downward trend. If we draw a line like this, we can see that the price has always changed direction in this zone. So, I placed another $10 sell trade right here. Another $8 profit. If we zoom out the gold OTC market, we can see a strong support level right here, where the market bounced up a couple of times. After the small uptrend, the market dropped back to the earlier support level. Using this strong support level, I will place a $10 buy trade on the market. Just like we predicted, the market was rejected at this level, and we won that trade. This market is currently in a strong downtrend. We can see a strong bearish candle right here. The middle point of candles like this can sometimes be considered resistance levels. Using this and the strong downward trend, I will place a $10 sell trade on the market. We closed the trade with a profit. Let's move to the Cardano/USD market. The market seems to be in an uptrend right now. The price has broken this level of the market, which means the market should at least reach these higher high levels. So I will place a $10 buy trade. Sadly, we lost that trade. However, I have faith in this strategy. Since I have enough capital, I will place another $20 buy trade using the Martingale strategy. Another $14 profit. Let's place our last few trades. Now I'm back in the Smarty Index market. Since I only need $2 more to reach 100, I will reduce my trade amount to $3. Sadly, we lost that trade. Let's change the trade amount and place another trade. Well, I won that trade. So, this brings my total account balance to $102. At the start of this video, I only had $10. In total, I placed 18 trades and won 13 of them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my future trading videos. And don't forget, if you want daily trading signals and exclusive promo codes, join our free VIP Signals channel using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.